you for being here. How are you doing today? Welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. My name is Jen, and today we are going to make Parmesan chicken, but we're going to bake it. So I have some Italian breading, Parmesan cheese, and some eggs so we can bread our chicken. And I also like to use the cooling rack every time I bake some chicken, because then the hot air circulates and then it gives the chicken an even baking, so that's nice. All right, so that circulation of air is important, especially when you're baking it. So now also I have some salad here, and we're gonna make homemade ranch dressing. So let's go ahead and let's season the chicken. Okay, so we season our chicken. So what we're gonna do here now is we're just gonna coat it with egg, and then I like to coat it with, dredge it onto the Parmesan, and then to the Italian breading, okay? And whatever, you just shake it a little bit just to remove that excess breading, and then we're gonna place it on the rack. I already greased the rack with oil, just the spray, you know, one of those spray oil, and then just to make sure that the chicken does not stick to the cooling rack. So then, okay, again, Parmesan, and then the breading, and then it goes to this rack over here on top of the baking sheet pan. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue. Okay, now our chicken is ready, and I preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for about 15-20 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, so we're also going to make side salad, and for that I have different kinds of lettuce here. It's really nice because I have this leaves, like purple leaves and curly green leaves, so it's nice to have a variety of these mixed greens. And then I'm also slicing some green onions, and then I have my tomato, which I removed the seed, and I'm gonna dice it. And then for the carrots, I use my vegetable peeler and just go like this, and then you'll have this really nice long ribbons into your salad. And also we're gonna go ahead and make our ranch dressing. So we're gonna do an easy ranch dressing. All we have here is mayonnaise, and then for our seasoning we have garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flakes, and dried dill, and then some salt. And then I also like to kind of add a little bit of hot sauce just to lift up that flavor. And also we have buttermilk that we're gonna mix together. So really simple. Okay, now the chicken is done baking, so I'm just gonna cut them in small pieces and then add them to my salad and drizzle that ranch dressing. Okay, my lovelies, so coming home from a long day of work, and having this really nice refreshing salad with that chicken that we crusted with some Italian breading and Parmesan, it's really a good thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. So I kind of cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm gonna have some ranch dressing with it, and let's go ahead and try it. It's really nice because that Parmesan and the Italian breading and the really nice moist chicken, because we made sure that the heat is evenly distributed throughout the chicken, and it really makes it moist and tender. And then the ranch dressing, it's really a nice combination of all the dried herbs and then the garlic powder and the onion powder. It really makes a big difference. It really tastes so good. So my lovelies, try this and let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.